Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So without wasting time, we will find prime factorization of 1331. As we can see, it's an odd number, not divisible by 2. And if we check, digit sum is 8, so not divisible by 3. So large digit is not 0 or 5, so not divisible by 5. So now let's try 11. So the divisibility rule of 11 is alternating sum rule. So 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So this gives us 0. That means it's divisible by 11. So 1331 divisible by 11 gives 121. 121 divisible by 11 gives 11. And 11 divisible by 11 gives 1. So the prime factorization of 1331 is 11 times 11 times 11. Or we can say that it's a 11 power 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.